Okay, so I'm gonna make the handles for the door. So what I've done is I cut out a 30-inch pipe. Then I cut some smaller ones, 3.5 inches, and I coped them. Coping is what you do to a piece of like a flat surface, round it out so that it'll fit around a pipe. But because if you don't, you'll have a flat against something that's round, and you'll have these giant gaps on the side. You don't want to weld giant gaps closed, so you make the gaps smaller by coping the pipe. Then your welds will be nice and tight. All right, I'll show you some welding of the pipe.
On my timeline, so you picture on my timeline.
All right, there's one handle all tacked up. Now I gotta weld it up and then tack the other one and weld it, and they'll be done. Okay, I think I've marked out where the handle's gonna go. Now I gotta grind that flat and get all the old rust and paint off so that our welds will work, and then we'll put the handle on. Bam! It's a barbecue door. Wait. It worked. Okay, now I'm putting the seal around the door. So I'm having to tap it in place and well, there's one side. Got our seal on the door. It looks pretty good. All right, I finally got the other door open. Man, that took forever. I'm talking like hours of grinding with those wheels. I have a plasma cutter. I just don't have a an air compressor yet. I know that's kind of out of order, but the plasma cutter was a Christmas present. But I got this cut out. I'm gonna weld the seals on. I started on that one already. And then I'm gonna start building some grates inside here. All right. All right, I took a little time and I ground all the sharp edges off. Got her nice and smooth. And ready for the next step.